Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east from Waitabit towards Litchfield. Entering Litchfield. The road to the left takes you to the other section of the Litchfield community. Along that road you can find the Litchfield Basic School, the Litchfield Seventh-day Adventist Church, the Litchfield Forestry Department, etc. On the left, just above, we are passing the Litchfield Baptist Church. On the left, we are passing Woodgrove Road. The road takes you to the Litchfield Baptist Church and also to the Woodgrove community. We are entering Low River community. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.